Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef adobo. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef chuck, cut into 2-inch cubes. For the liquids, grab 1/2 cup each of soy sauce and vinegar. Don't forget to mince 6 cloves of garlic and slice 1 onion. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and 2 bay leaves on hand. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a delicious adobo. Now let's get that beef soaking up all the wonderful flavors. In a large bowl, combine your beef cubes with the soy sauce, vinegar, minced garlic, and black peppercorns. Make sure every piece of beef is well coated. For a good flavor infusion, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have more time, 2 hours in the refrigerator will make it even more delicious. This step is key for tender, flavorful adobo. Time to cook. In a large pot, sauté your sliced onion over medium heat until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, add the marinated beef, browning it on all sides. Then, pour in the remaining marinade from the bowl and toss in those bay leaves. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the beef is wonderfully tender. Stir occasionally. Your delicious beef adobo is almost ready. Before serving, remember to remove the bay leaves. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. A little salt or pepper can make a big difference. Serve this savory dish hot, ideally over a bed of fluffy steamed white rice to soak up all that amazing sauce. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade, easy beef adobo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.